Hello friends, now we see the problem number 17, which is based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 17 is y equal to x into log x upon e raised x. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write y equal to x into log x upon e raised x. Then differentiate with respect to x, we get the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to, now x into log x, this we consider as u, and e raised x we consider as v, and by applying derivative of quotient rule we get e raised x into dy dx of x into log x, then minus x into log x, we write as it is, into dy dx of e raised x, and then whole thing divided by e raised x bracket whole square, so is equal to, now we write e raised x as it is. Now derivative of x into log x, we proceed by using product rule, that we consider x as a u and log x as a v. So x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of x is 1. Then minus x into log x we write as it is into derivative of e raised x is e raised x, and then whole thing divided by e raised x whole bracket square. So the next step will be is equal to e raised x in bracket. Now x cancel from numerator denominator, so we left with 1 plus log x bracket complete, and then minus x into log x into e raised x, and then whole thing divided by e raised x bracket square. Now from numerator we take e raised x common, so in bracket we have 1 plus log x minus x into log x bracket complete, and then whole thing divided by e raised x the whole square. Now we cancel e raised x from numerator and denominator, so we left with 1 plus log x minus x into log x whole thing divided by e raised x. So in this way we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x minus x log x upon e raised x. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Thank you.